नमस्ते बिटिया, खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic R online statistical software to industrial and clinical trial approach. What is the R online stats software using in the pharmaceutical industry and clinical trial approach? So now we come to the R foundation for the statistical computing. This topic belongs to the research methodology for the B Pharm 8th semester student. So the R foundation for statistical computing is not for profit organization working in the public interest. It was founded by the members of the R development core team in order to provide support for the R project and other innovation in stats computing. We believe that R has become a mature and valuable tools, and we would like to ensure its continued development and the development of the of future innovation in software for the stats and computational research in pharmaceutical industry, whatever clinical research approach. So then we come to the next point for our foundation. Provide a reference point for individual institution or commercial enterprises that want to support on interact with the R development community for the development of the pharmaceutical industry or companies or clinical trial approaches, etc. Hold and administer the copyright of R software and documentation. R is an official part of the free software foundations for the different type of project related to the research and development section. And the R foundation has similar goals to other open source software foundations, such as the different type of foundation, and all over these foundations to belong to the R foundation. Among the goals of the R foundation are the support of the continued development of R, the explanation of new methodology, teaching and training of stats computing, and the organization of meeting and conferences with the stats computing orientation. So the R Foundation is seated in Australia and currently hosted by the University of Technology for the use in the pharmaceutical industry or clinical development industry. It is a registered association under Australian law and active worldwide. The R Foundation can be contacted at the R Foundation for the Stats Computing for the use use in the pharmaceutical industry. So now we come to the point. What is the introduction of R? R is the language. Especially R is the language and environment for statistical computing and graphics. It is a project and is similar to the S language and environment that was developed at well-settled laboratories. Firstly, the R language developed by the John Chambers and his colleagues. R can be considered as an distinct implementation of S developed separated from the original implementation at Bell Laboratories. Although there are some important differences between these two implementation, much code written for S runs updated under R. R is provide a wide variety of stats, linear and non-linear modeling. In last topic, we will discuss the linear and non-linear modeling in a regression modeling. So the classical stats test, time series analysis and classification, clustering, etc. belongs to the R language. And graphical techniques and is readily extensible. The S language is often the vehicle of choice for research in stats methodology. And R provide an open source route to participation in that activity. One of the R strength is the ease with which well-designed publication quality plots can be produced, including mathematical symbols and formula where needed. Great care has been taken over the default for the minor design choice in graphics, but the user retained full control. R is available as a free software under term of the Free Software Foundation General Public License in source code form. It complies and runs on a wide variety of Unix platform and similar system, including free BSD and Linux, Windows, and all other these software. The R environment. R is an integrated suite of the software facilities for data manipulation and calculating and graphic display. It includes an effective data handling and storage facility, a suite of the operators for calculation on arrays in particular matrices, a large integrated collection of the intermediate tools for data analysis and graphical facilities for data analysis and display either on screen or on hard copy. A well-developed, simple and effective programming language that includes conditional loops, user defined functional and input of output facility. Many users R software, like S software, is designed around a true programming language, and it allows user to add additional functional by the defining new functions. Much of the system itself written in the R dialect of the S language, which makes it easy for the user to follow the algorithm choices made. For computationally intensive tasks, C++ language and C++ language and C language and for the other language can be linked and called at runtime. Advanced user can write C code to manipulate R object directly. Many users think of R as a statistics system. We prefer to think of it environment within which statistical techniques are implemented. R can be extended easily by a package. There are some type of numbers package listed previously supplies with the R distribution and many more. Covering a very wide range of the modern statistics are available through the CRAN family of the internet site. R is the very important document format for the digital software and stat software for the use of pharmaceutical industry and clinical trial approach. So, which is used to supply comprehensive documentation both online and a number of formats and is hard copy. In addition, R is open source. So the R is very important language. Now we come to the qualification and validation of system for 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Electronic record, electronic signature, and 21 CFR Part 11 was issued by the FDA to provide regulatory requirement for the process and control that must be applied to electronic record and electronic signature. The FDA released guidance for industry Part 11, electronic record and electronic signature, and scope of application to clarify their position with respect to the scope and application of the regulation. So this is the complete protocol for this session. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it problem by the problem resolving class. So thank you, students. Thank you for the listening.